All right, hi, welcome back. Attorney Steve Vondran here. Welcome to another exciting video. All right, so I wanted to do this video on the United States District Court, Eastern District of California. This is going to complete my set of videos for the 4 federal courts in California, okay, for those of you who want to understand it. And sometimes this helps when you have a lawsuit and you're wondering, where do I file it? I don't even know where to file it. So here we go, United States District Court, Eastern District of California. Okay, so here's some of the locations here. So we have Sacramento as one of the locations, and Sacramento is going to hear cases from Alpine, Amador, Butte, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Casson County, Modoc, Mono, Nevada, Placer, Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Shasta, Sierra, Siskiyou, Solano, Sutter, Tehama, Trinity, Yolo, and Yuba. So that's going to cover a whole lot of stuff. So your case, if it's in that county, you could be in the Sacramento courthouse right here. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? I love the federal courts. They're really, really beautiful. And in the other one here, that in those counties, you might be also in the Redding courthouse. So you need to check. Not quite as nice. No disrespect, of course. Now, you may also be in the Fresno courthouse. That's my old alma mater, Fresno State Bulldogs, baby. Love the Bulldogs and love Bulldog baseball in particular. So, but you might be up here in the Fresno area. Fresno also is going to be, you have the Bakersfield court down here. You can see them. There's the Fresno. There's the Redding. Here's the Bakersfield. And so if you're in the Fresno, Bakersfield, those counties are going to cover Calaveras, Fresno County, Inyo, Kern County, Kings County, Madera, Mariposa, Merced County, Stanislaus, Tulare, and Tuolumne. Okay, so those are your federal courts. Now, I wanted to give you a little surprise here. Most people don't know about this little court coming up right here. Here's where I really want to be in court, right there. Yosemite Federal Courthouse. Did you know there was a courthouse in Yosemite? Federal courthouse. This is for violation of the federal Code of Federal Regulations. Things like poachers trying to kill protected wildlife, kids caught with booze, stealing wood, things like campers abusing their wives, things like that. And illegal drones. Did you know it was illegal to fly a drone in Yosemite Federal Courthouse? Yep. Learned something new today, didn't you? 36 CFR Code of Federal Regulations 2.17, A as in Apple, 3. 36 CFR 2.17A3. So there you have it. Those are your federal courts. I just wanted to get that in to complete the series. If you want to see the other courts, an overview of the other courthouses, the Central District, the Northern District, and the Southern District, I'll put those links in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Get this great information coming to you. Hit that subscribe button. Bye now.